Assalamu alaikum to class. How are you all? Today our topic is keyboard and we start our reading from delete key. So let's start our reading. When you press the delete key, it erases the characters on the right of cursor. For example, you type the wrong spelling of printer as printer, place the cursor after the letter T and then press the delete key to erase the O. Okay, we see them on computer. Look at this. For example, we write printer. This is the wrong spell of printer. In this we write O. Now we remove the O from there. So move the cursor after T. And press the delete key. When you press the delete key, the character O will be removed. Okay students, now we read about caps lock key. When caps lock key is on, you see a light on the right side of the keyboard. All the alphabets you type appear in capital or uppercase. For example, if you type the word computer, it will appear as computer on your monitor. When you press the caps lock key again, you will find that the light disappears. Now, on typing the alphabets, they will appear in small or lowercase, appear as machine on your monitor. Look at this. When we write the printer, it writes in the small letters. Now, if we press the caps lock key, the light will be on, and now we write printer. You see, all the letters write in capital letters. If we press again caps lock key, the light will be off, and now we again write printer. See, all the letters write in small letter. So caps lock is used to make a letter in capital letters. If the caps lock key is on, we write in capital letters, and if the caps lock key is off, we write in small letters. Okay students, now we read about num lock key. In case you wish to type numbers using numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, press the num lock key and a light will appear on the top right side of the keyboard. This shows that you can now use numeric keypad. Okay students, if you want to use the numeric keypad for typing numbers, you will first press the num lock key and light will be on. Look at this, there is no light on. When we press the num lock key, the num lock key light appear, and now we use numeric keypad for typing. Look at this, like we write 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. If the caps num lock key is not pressed and light is off, then we don't type using numeric keypad. Look at this. For example, we press 2. Look, they will not typing. Okay, when your num lock key is pressed, light is on, then you use the numeric keypad. If the light is off, then you don't type using numeric keypad. Okay students, now we read about shift key. Shift key. The shift key is used in combination with other keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is on the left side of the keyboard and the other is on the right side of the keyboard. It is used when you want to type the upper symbol on the keys, like 1, 2, 3, these numbers and upper symbols like that. These symbols are used when we press shift key. Okay, now we read. For example, if you want to type the symbol @ then press the shift key along with the key 2. Must know, shift key is also used to make letters capital on your monitor. For example, if you want to write A, then press and hold shift key while you press A key. The capital A appears on your monitor. Look at this on computer. For example, we want to use upper symbol. When we use the upper symbol of keys like these signs, we press the shift key and then press these symbols. For example, we want to use the @ of sign. So first we press the shift key and then press the number 2 key. Look at this, we write @ symbol. Similarly, we use, for example, we use percentage, then press shift key and 5. We use symbol percentage. Okay. Shift key, another use of shift key is write letter in capital. For example, if you want a single character in capital, then you press the shift key and then press the alphabet. Like we want to write A in capital letter. To write capital letter, press the shift key and then press A. You will see we write capital A. Okay students, now you ready your notebook for difficult words. First draw margin line and then draw 2 blue lines for topic and difficult words. Start writing. First write topic. Keyboard. 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 Now write difficult words. DIFFICULT. Difficult words. 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 Difficult words. First word is delete. 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 Character. 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 Caps lock. CAPS. Caps LOCK. Caps lock. Numeric. 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 Keypad. Y key. P A D, pad, keypad. Combination C O M B I N A T I O N. Combination capital C A P I T A L, capital. Shift key S H I F T, shift. K E Y, key, shift key. Okay student, do these difficult words on notebook, write your diary. Computer, do reading page number 23 plus write difficult words on notebook. Have a nice day.